my channel. So today I wanted to give you kind of like an update video on what I've been doing to try to get healthier, to get back in shape, to lose some weight with the Warrior Lifestyle program. And if you have not seen my previous 2 videos, make sure to check those on my channel. I can go ahead and link them down below also. But basically, about, I want to say almost 3 weeks now, I started the Warrior Lifestyle program. They had reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their program and kind of like review it and see, implement it into my lifestyle and see how it worked for me, which worked out perfectly because I was looking for something to help me lose some weight. And not really like for vanity reasons, because I've always been confident and comfortable as a plus size woman. But basically it's because, you know, I've had a couple of health challenges that absolutely have been health, you know, like weight related. And I know a lot of people don't have like, you know, I know a lot of plus size women don't have any health issues, and that's great. But for me personally, it has been affecting my blood pressure. I've been having like pretty high blood pressure, and with that blood pressure came really bad headaches because of the blood pressure. So I've been looking for things to try to get me back in shape, get me healthy, get that blood pressure back down. And this program has been a really, really good thing because it's keeping me focused on my goals. They have when you log into their modules, if you saw my last video, I showed you a little bit of how the modules are. They do have a mental, a mindset module. And for me, that was probably the biggest thing in order to lose weight. So I have lost a couple of pounds. I've lost about 8 pounds, and I've lost about 8 inches already. I went from, let's see, it was 54. I measured in my last, I had the measurements in my last video, but I went from 54 inches in my waist to 47 now. So it's about 7 or 8 inches that I lost in my waist. And regardless of like the number on the scale and the numbers, the way I feel, like, I just feel really like a lot better, like in my mind, like just that I'm making healthy choices and doing the right thing for myself. And I want to say like my biggest challenge has definitely been, I'm a single mother of 2, so it's kind of hard when like your kids want to eat like candies and eat just like the regular junk, and they you know, bringing those things into the house and not being tempted to eat them is the hardest thing. I typically just eat whatever they're eating. So it's probably the biggest challenges for me has been trying to not binge on the junk that they like to eat. Another challenge is I want to get them on board with, you know, eating healthier, eating a freaking vegetable. Like, I would love that so much, but it has not been easy to get. My kids are not little, so like a lot of people say, oh, just put vegetables, mix it into their food, they won't taste it. My children are not little, they're older, they're teenagers, you know, one's an adult, one's a teenager, so they will know if I put the vegetables in their food. So that's been a little bit challenging. Because I end up having to make separate meals, one for myself, one for them, until I can get them on board. So I'm hoping like if they see me eating healthy and exercising, they'll get on board with that train and want to make changes for themselves as well. Because the last thing I want is for them to have health issues because of, you know, our poor eating habits. And one thing that's really important is poor eating habits is something that, like, let me straighten this out a bit. It's not something that happens like overnight. It's something that we developed like throughout time, you know, and it's progressive and it gets worse as as your weight climbs up there, you might not have health issues now, but again, that is progressive and it also gets worse. And I'm not here, like, I'm not some weight loss advocate. Like, I'm not promoting everybody needs to like lose weight. For myself, I'm just giving you my experience. For myself is the more I have gained, the more health issues I find that I have. And I don't want to, I'm only 38, so I don't want to live my life with a bunch of health problems due to weight. There's some things, some health issues that I can't control. I have other things that I can't control. Mind you, like a lot of people do, you know, autoimmune disorders, stuff like that. But I do want to be able to control what I can. You get what I'm saying? So for me, the most important thing is changing my mindset and really, really working on their mindset module. Their modules kind of help you like change your mind. So basically, I'm going to read to you guys a little bit of the module that was one of the really important ones to me. This one is called Change Your Mind. It says, we told you that a healthy mind was key to being successful in our program. We're going to start off in your head. You have spent the last few years wondering how you can live the life you want to live while being trapped inside a body that you do not like. The first step in changing your mind, however, is loving the body that you do have and remembering that self-love is not lying to yourself. You can love your body and accept yourself and still work towards a healthier version of you. And that is so important because in this plus size and body positivity community, people think that if you are losing weight, which somebody left me a comment in my previous video, that you're betraying. It's like the ultimate betrayal to the plus size community. But I'm here to say that aside from the fat fetishist who commented on my video, the most important thing is health. Without health, you have nothing. Without my health, I can't sit here in front of you guys and make videos. You can't do anything without health. And if you are having health issues due to your weight, then it is something you need to take control of. And that's been my experience. It's, you know, I'm not saying everybody has health issues. I didn't for the longest. For the longest time, I've been overweight my whole life, and I never had health issues, but now I am. So I am taking control of what I can and doing what I can and making small, gradual changes. This is not something that happened overnight. I didn't gain a bunch of weight overnight. So it's not something that I'm going to be able to change overnight. I have to take baby steps. But what I really, really want to work on continue to work on after this is my mindset and just keep telling myself, you know, I can do this. I can make a healthier choice. It's not completely out of my control, and I can lead by example and show my children a healthier way to eat. So it's kind of like just taking accountability, and that's something that I am learning to do. And this program is really, really helping me with that. It also says, you know, if you tend to put others' needs before your own, understand that putting you first may sound selfish, but you will see that everyone around you will be much better off if you're happy and healthy. And this is so, so true, because oftentimes we do put other people first, and especially mothers, you know, we put our children first regardless, but you have to take that time for you, for your self-care, for your mental health, for your physical health, because if you're not at your best, you cannot take care of your children at your best. So these are just things that I'm learning, and it's just been really eye-opening. This whole mindset module is life-changing, and I definitely suggest that you guys check out their website. It is thewarriorlifestyleprogram.com, and I will link it down below. And they just have so much information and such a good mindset module to keep you motivated and keep you going, and makes you want to stick with it. And when you see results, you know, it's like encouraging you to stick with it even more. So for me, I am on a medication that makes me gain weight. So it's been challenging while I'm doing this program to lose weight, but surprisingly, I'm still losing inches. And just trying to make better choices here and there. I look at their food plan, and they have a lot of different options, and then just pick whichever one works for you and have that as a meal. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's actually really, really simple. And then, you know, I can't do full workouts like the program recommends, but I do what I can because, you know, I had back surgery last year. So I just do what I can, and you can do what you can and make this fit your lifestyle. And once you make it fit your lifestyle, where it doesn't become like a chore to do, where it's just like automatic, okay, we're doing this right now. Okay, we're eating this right now. It just becomes a lot easier. And then you gain momentum. You gain momentum, and then you just want to keep going with it, and you see positive results, and it's definitely encouraging. So I definitely suggest you guys check this program out, and I'm really happy with the results so far. It's only been about 3 weeks, and I do tend to lose weight kind of slow, but you know, I'm pretty happy. I've lost about 8 inches in my waist, and yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know where I'm at right now. Just keep working on that mindset and getting right with my goals and telling myself that I can do this and that I have to put myself first, because in order for me to be able to be at my best for my children and take good care of them, I have to be at my best physically, mentally, spiritually, everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again to the Warrior Lifestyle Program for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching.